Trial of a former Greensboro police officer accused of manslaughter is also underway. Prosecutors say Matthew Hamilton shot and killed Joseph Lopez while he was on duty back in 2021. WXI 12's Sarah Sowers was in the courtroom for us today as the judge worked through the jury pool. She joins us live tonight. Sarah, how did things go?
Kenny, the first day of jury selection just wrapped up in Greensboro at the courthouse. Questioning from both the judge and the district attorneys whittled down that giant jury pool of 40 people to 17 potential jurors, although none of them have been officially selected for the trial just yet. Judge David Hall spent the morning going through pretrial motions having to do with the size of the courtroom, concerns about a spike in flu cases, and if any recent events related to the ICE shooting in Minneapolis could have an impact on jury selection. After some consideration, he decided to go through with jury selection instead of continuing the case to a later date. The judge says that there could be up to 104 witnesses called, including law enforcement agents from the SBI, Greensboro Police Department, and Guilford County Sheriff's Office. The judge asked each potential juror if they had any strong feelings about law enforcement that would impede on their ability to serve in this case, after revealing that the case had to do with a manslaughter charge from the state for former law enforcement officer Matthew Hamilton. The state district attorneys asked potential jurors if they owned any guns or had bad experiences with law enforcement in the past, which led to the release of several jurors and started the questioning process over again. Two jurors said that they may know Hamilton or his family, so the judge dismissed them to retain the integrity of the case. The judge said that the jury selection process and questioning will continue again tomorrow, Tuesday morning at 9:30. And jurors were also told that they would have to be available for 3 weeks to be a part of the trial. In Greensboro, Sarah Sowers, WXII 12 News.